guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're new here, welcome to my beautiful, amazing space of beauty and all things amazing, where I teach you how to slay, look snatch, babes, step on their throats, take the oxygen, everything, you mention it. We do it here on this channel. So today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to make your makeup last a little bit longer under your mask. We're going through tough times with this whole pandemic, but we still want to look snatched. Before we go any further, if you're new here, please subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you're the first person to know about it, okay? So now we're going to jump straight into it, and I'll be showing you how I achieve this flawless look. Oh, guys! So I'm going to jump straight into it, and I'm going to start off by moisturizing my lips because that is the most important thing in the world. So I've washed my face and I've moisturized my lips. Now I just need to moisturize my skin, and I'll be going in with a Portia M cream to moisturize my face. So the whole point is to get your skin hydrated. Hydrate your skin first before anything, and I'm just gonna warm up the product and then go in. So now that I've moisturized my face, I am going to set the moisturizer with some translucent powder. I'm using my Yardley Translucent powder, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of this, right? And just lightly set all of this. And you don't want to use too much powder, right? So this is gonna seal in. This is gonna seal in all that moisture and create like a nice barrier. So now that I've set my face with the translucent powder, the next step, we're gonna go in with our setting spray. You want to use a long-lasting spray or a mattifying spray because you want longevity. The whole point of this look is for longevity. If you're somebody who likes the whole natural, chic, sheer, natural face, it's not gonna work with this because it's gonna come right off, right? So we need something matte, longevity, listen, long wear, thick. So you can use any setting spray. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. This is an ultimate fave, guys. Your makeup will not move with the stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, just a few spritz. Right, just one for life. And right after that, this is my first time trying this primer, and Lord knows I hope this primer doesn't disappoint me. It's from a Revolution. It's called Hydrate. It looks really cute. Hydrate primer. Hydrate and prime primer. Okay. It's a bit of a tongue twister, but yeah. I don't know, they don't say much on the packaging about what it's supposed to do or the expectations of the product, but yeah, this is up on a corner. But the whole point is for us to hydrate, so that's why we're using this. Okay. I'm not sure what consistency. Okay. Ooh. Okay, it's a bit. Ooh, guys. I don't know. It's a bit runny. It's making a mess. I don't have time to tie up my lid. It looks like things that shouldn't be on my face. It looks like things that really shouldn't be on my face. But I'm gonna rub all of this in. So I'm gonna rub all of this in, right? I really hope it sets into like a sticky type of feeling on my face, because you really want like a very sticky primer to hold on to all that product. So like that. I don't know. Oh, this feels so good. Oh guys, it's so sticky. Oh, I'm not sure if you can. Guys, it's so sticky. Oh, feels good. Feels really good. I don't lie, it feels really good. Although it has some sort of I won't say stinging sensation. It's like putting on something that has menthol, you know, and has that slight burn. Yeah, that's how it feels on the face first time putting it on. Okay, well, now that we've done that, I don't don't know how long it's gonna last, this whole burning sensation. The burning sensation has kind of cooled down a bit, so I'm really happy about that. Really happy about that. So now I'm gonna mix two foundations. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter. Guys, you can use any long wave foundation, any full coverage foundation from, I think it's Maybelline Infallible, Revlon Superstay or something like that. Those really work, but this baby, you will not go wrong. It does not budge. That's exactly what you want, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation. I'll be using my beauty sponge, and I'm just gonna dab just a bit, and I'm gonna focus mostly on my cheeks. Guys, do you see how full coverage that is? Do you see how full coverage this foundation is? By the way, this foundation does oxidize, so after a bit of time it does change into a slightly darker shade. So this is a makeup Alice blend. It's basically to help with such mistakes. I got this from a surprise. It is part of the Scarlet range. I think it was $100 if I'm not mistaken. It's time for my concealer. Now I'm gonna go in with my L.A Girl Pro So now I'm going to go in with my L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. And I'm going to be placing this exactly where I would place it on a normal day. So now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm going to go back in with my translucent powder, and I'm going to use my damp sponge. I'm going to use the side that I was using for my concealer to set my concealer. And this time around, I'm not shy with products because all this powder is going to trap all this product and make sure it doesn't budge, right? And that's exactly what you want. I'm focusing under my eyes, on my cheeks and my nose. So now I'm gonna bake just a bit here, not directly under my eyes because I don't want it to crease. Right here, where I'll have the mask. I'm gonna let these bake for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna continue with the rest of my face, and then I'll be back. Right. So at this time, while you're waiting for your face to bake, you can continue ahead and do your blush, you know. You can go ahead and do your powder contour, do your eyebrows, your eyes, whatever you want while you wait. Not just sit there and wait for it. You're gonna waste a lot of your time, right? So while you wait for this, continue with something else. I'm gonna go ahead and start bronzing up my face. So now I'm done with that, so I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyebrows, and I'll be back in a jiff. So next to the next step, I will be setting my face now and just setting everything together, sealing everything together, you know, keep everything tight. Okay, I baptized myself in setting spray. At this point, I literally did. Now I have to wait for it to dry. So now we're gonna tackle the lips, right? I'm gonna rehydrate our lips again, just a bit. I'm not putting too much. I'm gonna remove the excess because I don't want too much product. So now I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with the NYX Espresso. I think it's called Espresso. And yeah, so I'm gonna line my lips. So now that I've lined my lips, I'm going to go ahead and apply my ConnieTransform Vueve. Guys, if you know me, ConnieTransform is one of my favorites. It is a very comfortable matte, but it does not budge. Do you understand? It's not going anywhere, but it does not dehydrate your lips and make them crack and really uncomfortable. So this baby is amazing for the look we're going for. It's gonna last underneath your mask, which is totally amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and apply Vueve. And now I'm gonna go in with my second fave, main cheek, right in the center of my lips, just to give this a bit of. And that is my last spritz. So now this bitch is gonna go ahead and complete her look, and I'll be back afterwards. And please remember, this does not mean that your makeup will not come off at all. Yeah, you won't be left with a stain on your face and have half of your face gone and all that. It will definitely move because, guys, it's makeup and that's a fabric, but it will just make it last longer. Okay, your makeup will last a little bit longer and you won't be too afraid to remove your mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair and then I'll be back. So this is my final look. I hope you guys like it. My hair is like freaking long, really cute. So I hope you guys like it. So this is my final look. My final look. But it won't be a final look without the actual mask because it's important, right? It's really important. So we sanitize our hands before putting on the mask. Wash your hands, sanitize them, whichever one you prefer, but keep those babies clean. And then we're gonna wear our mask, you know? So you see sideburns. So you see why I did a dramatic eye? Because, babes, half my face is covered, so my eyes gotta do the things. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. And let me show you. I'm gonna show you. So let me show you. As you can see, nothing hasn't budged. Oh, babes is still there. As I said, you'll have just a tiny. Do you see how much product is there? Barely anything. Babe, there's nothing on this baby. So yeah, but obviously as the day goes by, heat and everything will make it smudge just a little bit more, but your face won't be going anywhere. So your face is going to be there for a little longer than it usually is. And I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell so that you get a notification every time I upload a video. I really hope you enjoyed my video, and bye. And don't forget to give this hi guys, welcome back.